Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create the text behind the object effect in Filmora 10. So firstly, to get started with this project, what you want to do is find a footage that has an object on the background and it's stable. I've got this footage from Elements Envato and I will put a link for it in the description. After you download the footage, what you want to do is drag the footage to the timeline, go to Key Project Settings, and the next step from here will be adding a text layer, a random text. I will change the font to Lato Bold and let's type something here, for example cinematic. Okay, what we want to do is remove the animation from the text and let's extend the text until the end. So the next step from here, what you want to do is drag the footage again, drag it to the timeline, and you want to go to effects. Go to include and type in mask. Drag the shape mask to our first video, and what you want to do is double click, go on video effects and drag until we can edit it. We want to hide our first track and let's edit this effect. Just drag it, make sure you do this, and our mask is done. Now we can unhide the first track and let's lock the two tracks. Let's edit the text a little bit, put the text space to 7. Let's move it a bit around here, and if you want you can add some animations. I will add the string blur animation and we're done. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video.